Hi, listen, for anybody who's listening, welcome to the Heidts annual car show and open house. We are here in sunny but cold Lake Zurich, Illinois. So hopefully anybody who has a car locally had a chance to come by. Looks like we have over 100 cars right now, some beautiful, really beautiful vehicles, as well as some other interesting things. We have our friends from Custom Classics here, and as well as our friends at Black Dog Racing, some of our dealers. And we're offering tours also, so if you catch this and you're still listening, or it's today, please come by.
Yeah, 6 or 7.
Welding fixtures. So when we're designing a part, not only are the engineers designing the physical product itself, but they'll also design the bend stops for the sheet metal parts. They'll design the weld fixtures for the welders. All these fixtures are numbered and indexed, as well as some storage. As we bought the chassis engineering product family earlier this year from Chassis Engineering, we're Still see some pallets on the floor over there. We're still finding places to put that. So we've encroached in on our engineering area with some new shelving.
Hello.
Media choice, and it goes to number 11. Media choice. Jim, thanks so much. Sure. We're not kidding, Tom. Well, best muscle car, dude. Wow. Thank you. Timing is everything. Yeah, there you go. Very cool. Okay, Leno's going to see you in a minute. So.